Want to turn your claps into a stunning RGB light show? In this video, we'll build a clap-activated LED system to light up your room or desk. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this project: an Arduino Uno a WS2812B LED strip sound sensor, 3 male-to-male jumper wires, and 3 more male-to-female jumper wires. We'll wire the sound sensor to detect claps and trigger colorful animations on the LED strip. Now, let's connect the WS2812B LED strip and Keyestudio sound sensor to the Arduino. For the sound sensor, connect VCC to 5 volts, ground to the Arduino ground, and digital out to analog pin A0 on the Arduino. This allows the Arduino to detect sound changes and trigger the LED effects. For the WS2812B LED strip, connect VCC to 5 volts, ground to ground, and data into PWM pin 6 on the Arduino. Make sure the connections are secure to ensure proper communication between the components. Double-check your wiring to avoid any issues before uploading the code. The potentiometer on the sound sensor adjusts sensitivity. Turn it clockwise to make it more sensitive and counterclockwise to reduce false triggers from background noise. Connect the Arduino to a laptop. Now, we're ready to upload the code and see it in action. To program the Arduino, download the Arduino IDE from the official Arduino website, install it, and open the software. Once installed, connect the Arduino board to the computer using a USB cable. Next, install the Adafruit NeoPixel library. In the Arduino IDE, go to Sketch, include Library, and open the Library Manager. Search for Adafruit NeoPixel and click Install. Now, let's go over the code. The Adafruit NeoPixel library is included at the beginning to control the LED strip. The LED pin, number of LEDs, and sound sensor pin are defined. In the setup function, the serial monitor is initialized, the sound sensor is set as an input, and the LED strip is prepared for use. In the loop function, the Arduino constantly reads the sound level from the sensor. If the sound level exceeds a set threshold, a rainbow effect is triggered on the LED strip. This cycles through colors smoothly, creating a light show in response. Now, let's upload the code and test the circuit. And that's it. You've built a clap-controlled RGB light show using an Arduino. Want more Arduino projects? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know what you'd like to see next.